Ford recently spent roughly $19.5 billion unlearning a decade of product strategy to abandon the idea of an all-electric future. The company has realigned its roadmap away from an all-in battery bed, shifting toward a deliberate mix of hybrids, extended-range EVs, and a much tighter set of affordable full electrics. This chart shows the target for that shift. Ford expects electrified global volume to jump from 17% in 2025 to 50% by 2030, with nearly 90% of its nameplates offering an electrified option. Design leadership now faces the mandate of maintaining absolute visual brand coherence across four fundamentally different physical architectures. The clearest expression of this pivot is the F-150. Ford is ending the F-150 Lightning as a pure EV. They are replacing it with an extended-range version, a battery truck carrying a small combustion generator designed to deliver roughly 700 miles of range. For a working truck buyer, having extreme range with zero anxiety about where the next charger is located is the actual job, rather than a compromise. Contrast that utility with early EV misfires. The Mustang Mach-E is unlikely to get a next generation, with leadership admitting the company took the wrong path on its initial roadmap. Instead, pure electric capital is now concentrating on a new universal EV platform. Backed by $5 billion, this from-scratch architecture strictly targets a $30,000 midsize pickup by 2027. Ford is redirecting its capital toward commercial scale, volume, and use cases that reflect how customers actually drive. This strategy shift introduces a complex portfolio of architectures problem for the design organization. Designers must master completely different packaging, weight distribution, and engine placement across hybrid, extended range, and pure electric platforms. Historically, multi-powertrain chassis clash with unified aerodynamic silhouettes, producing compromised vehicles that look embarrassed by their engines. Preventing this incoherence requires sideways intelligence, where high-efficiency motors and packaging learnings from the universal EV platform actively feed the design of the hybrids. Ultimately, the strategy faces a rigid consumer test. An extended-range truck, a hybrid SUV, and a pure electric pickup must all unmistakably feel like they belong to the exact same brand family. Answering whether one design language can survive four drivetrains must happen in the concept phase, when proportions are still soft and trade-offs are cheapest to make. Waiting until the hard tooling and clay modeling phases to solve these mechanical discrepancies costs too much and restricts too many options. Ford chose variety over single-platform conviction. The responsibility now falls to pre-clay design intelligence to ensure every variant looks intentional.